HQ Designer's approval process is key to maintaining accuracy and collaboration. Today, we're stepping into the reviewer's role, seeing how they communicate with designers and how every interaction is tracked in the change logs. We begin by publishing a unit that has a single reviewer. As soon as this process concludes, they will be emailed. The email includes which unit that has changed and why. The reviewer will also see Under Review as a menu option in the top of HQ Designer. Clicking on a unit pending review will open a unique display. Only steps that need action are illuminated. Others will be grayed out. The reviewer can open the step to preview exactly how it will appear to operators. If the step is correct, they press Approve. If an error is found, the reviewer needs to reject the step and leave a note indicating what needs to be resolved. All steps must be unanimously approved for a step to be published. Rejected steps can be immediately returned to the designer. Rejected steps will now appear with an orange outline, assisting the designers in knowing which steps need to be corrected. In the instruction itself, there will now be a Change Request button at the top of the screen. Clicking on that will open a window informing the designer of all the changes required of the reviewers. Once the designer has made the requested corrections, they mark the requests as resolved, save the instruction, and then republish it for another review. During this process, designers cannot make additional changes while the unit is under review, ensuring that the reviewers see only the finalized updates. Likewise, once reviewers reject a unit back to the designers, their role in that cycle is complete, preventing any overlap in edits. Now that the error has been resolved, we will quickly go through the approval process and get this instruction published so we can review the change log. Newly published units are not immediately available to the production floor. The system will first process all text to support multilingual access in Compass. This process takes approximately 2 minutes, depending on the number of steps in the instruction. These changes will now be visible in the changelog. Here, we will see the most recent publishing as the topmost version, followed by the 2 publishing attempts and exchange between the designer and reviewer. Publishing reviewers is a powerful tool for maintaining documentation control. With Scout systems, the process is streamlined and effortless for your team. By leveraging publishing reviewers, you can enhance compliance, improve accountability, and drive higher quality across your factory operations.